Good evening, fellow seekers of light and purpose. I am Ismael, and tonight I invite you to embark on a reflective journey with me, exploring the intricate tapestry of our personal paths and the boundless opportunities they present to spread positivity. Life is a mosaic of choices, experiences, and moments that shape our destiny. Each of us is on a unique journey, a personal path that is ours and ours alone. Yet within this individual journey lies a universal truth, the innate power we possess to influence, inspire, and ignite positive change. For instance, I think of Rosa Parks, who, with a simple act of defiance on a bus, sparked a movement for civil rights. Or consider the story of a young boy who, with his allowance, bought meals for the homeless, eventually inspiring his entire community to join in the mission. Every step we take, every decision we make, is an opportunity to do good. From the simple act of offering a smile to a stranger, each act of kindness sends ripples of positivity into the world. These ripples, though seemingly small, have the power to create waves of change. Consider the moments when someone's kindness uplifted your spirits, or when a simple gesture made a world of difference in your life. Now imagine the collective impact if each of us consciously chose to be that beacon of hope for someone else. The potential is limitless. Our personal paths are also intertwined with the journey of those around us. By recognizing the interconnectedness of our stories, we can foster a sense of community and belonging. This shared journey becomes a powerful force, amplifying our individual efforts and creating a symphony of positive change. But how do we navigate this path with intention and purpose? It begins with self-awareness. By understanding our strengths, passions, and values, we can align our actions with our higher purpose. This alignment not only brings fulfillment, but also magnifies our impact. Next, embrace the power of gratitude. By focusing on the blessings in our lives, we cultivate a mindset of abundance. This mindset propels us to give more, love more, and be more. It transforms challenges into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones. For example, after facing a personal setback, Oprah Winfrey turned her pain into purpose by creating a platform that has inspired millions. Similarly, after losing his limbs, Nick Vujicic became a global motivational speaker, teaching people to find hope in the face of adversity. Lastly, seek out opportunities to learn and grow. Every experience, whether joyous or challenging, embraces a growth mindset. We open ourselves to the endless possibilities of personal evolution and the expansion of our positive influence. In conclusion, our personal paths are a sacred journey filled with opportunities to spread positivity and do good. By walking this path with intention, gratitude, and a growth mindset, we not only enrich our own lives, but also leave an indelible mark on the world. As we continue on our individual journeys, let's commit to being truth bearers of positivity, illuminating the way for ourselves and for those around us. Together we can create a world filled with light, love, and limitless potential. How does this resonate with you? My name is Ismael Perez. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.